Hazel. Oi. Oi, Hazel. Oi, Hazel. Hazel. Look. Do you want to say something, Ekdadi?
Hi.
Huh.
She's a young video filmmaker in the process, and you must keep up with her adventures. A doctor in the making in Tibetan medicine, who's also exploring life. So, yeah, I think you guys should definitely watch her videos.
Thank you. And here we are heading to airport. That is Ayurveda Institute. Oh, All India Institute.
The All India Institute of Ayurveda. Jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps the night. In the jungle, the mighty. The skies are clear. You're entering the manicured driveway of the Mopa International Airport in Goa. The roads are fantastic. You see on the left, these are all plants. The skies are clear and cloudy. Isn't that a contradiction? Welcome to the beautiful Mopa International Airport.
Here we are in the airport. Hazel and Ega. Hazel is so excited to meet her Masi, Choti Masi. This is Goa airport. There's hello. Oh, you are so cold.
I know, I'm coming straight out of my home. Monkey, come on.
How are you?
Recording? I am
Good.
good.
How are you feeling?
Huh?
Feeling?
Huh?
The feeling?
Feeling? Feeling tired. I'm tired. 4 months of traveling. I'm just like, I want to just be home now. I
Yes.
want to be in my bed.
ऐसे ही बैंड बना के अडल्ट बना दिया।
a bit. Sure. Don't pull me, okay? Hazel, look here, look. There's yellow, orange, blue, white. That's gorgeous. Now we are in Morjim Beach and we are going to do kayaking. Look here. Is it okay if I show you in the video? Yeah. Oh my god, it's looking beautiful. Look at the sea and the sand here. बीच गोवा वाले बीच में there are some only few people are here. Oh, sun is too. Oh, here comes the wave. Oh, dirty water. Woo! Okay. How are you, Mimishika? Drowning! Amazing! Woo! This wave will lift us, yeah! Here comes the. Oh yeah! This is your second time kayaking?
Kayaking?
Yeah.
No, not in many times.
Oh, many times. How was today's experience?
Very nice.
Very nice. And it's my first time here, first time kayaking, right? So I liked it.